Hey guys, I'm here to talk to you today about the new AirHogs remote control ThunderTrax. This is an awesome one. It's an outdoor, all-terrain RC vehicle that drives over any surface. Snow, mud, and with the push of a button, even water. All right, let's quickly go through the contents of each box so you know exactly what you're gonna get. Your package should contain one ThunderTrax, one remote control, one charging cable, and one set of instructions. Let's dive in a little deeper so I can show you why I love the new AirHogs RC ThunderTrax. Okay, the first reason I love the ThunderTrax is that it can drive over any surface. This really is an all-terrain vehicle, and that is because of the treads. These things are large, they're durable, and they're shaped to provide traction over any surface, even in water. Yep, push that button and the ThunderTrax transforms into aquatic mode and just keeps on going. Let me give you a few quick tips that have helped me get the most out of my journeys. First, keep in mind that your ThunderTrax can only transform into and out of aquatic mode while it's in the water. So what you're gonna wanna do is pick up a bit of momentum on land so you can launch out into the water and then transform, and wait until you're back on solid ground to transform back. Another thing you'll want
Hi, I'm Ross, and I want everyone to be able to create their own robot. Being creative with technology is about more than just programming. It's about making and learning and having fun. Meet the Crafty Robot. It's a paper toy, but not like any other. Plug Crafty into a USB, and you've got a moving robot. But not just one robot. With Crafty's motor, the Fizzbit, you can make your own robots, from paper, with a 3D printer, or almost anything. We have designs you can download and print at home. So if you want to replay Kanye versus Taylor, see Trump take on Putin, unicorn yourself, or even build your own football team, all you need is some card and a printer. You'll even be able to share your designs with the community. Everyone hates it when their toys run out of batteries. Because Crafty robots don't use batteries, and Fizzbits can be reused in dozens of robots. They deliver maximum fun for a minimum of the Earth's resources.